Hey, welcome back to another video. Let's do another cluster lash look. Look how beautiful they came out. Let's go ahead and get started. Grab your lashes. We're gonna do a cute cat eye. I always like to do a before on my natural lashes so you can see what I'm working with. And let's go ahead and get started with this lash application. Okay, so now I'm going to take my bond, and this is the bond from my previous lash kit that I got and reviewed as well. So I'm going to apply this all throughout my lashes. As I mentioned before, I tried just doing it on the base of my lashes, and it made them kind of come off easier or come off faster. So I'm going to stick to coating my lashes all the way through. And here, like, I know I don't have a lot of lashes, so I'm just going to try my best here. Alright, and we got some playtime here with this glue, which is really nice. I really like this glue. And it lasts so long. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, hopefully you can see. So these are the fluffy lashes. And I'm going to try to do like a cat eye. So I'm going to just stick this on. I can't see that well, so I'm going to apply it and then fix it if I need to in between takes. So I'm going to apply 2 of the largest size. Trying to get it on as good as I can. So I did 2 size 18. Now I'm going to do a 14. I'm going to do a couple of size 12. And we're going to leave it as size 12. So now I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. This is kind of my view. And I have very, very little lashes on the inner corner. So that's why I'm just going to leave it like this. Cute. Now I'm just going to seal it in. I like to get the top of my lashes as well because it really seals it in and it keeps it from being sticky, so that way you don't get any little dust or hairs or lint in your lashes, because that has happened. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these lashes. And if you're interested in getting these lashes, they are linked in my Amazon storefront. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. I'll try out a different style with these fluffy lashes. And who knows, we might create something really cool. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.